SoFi Technologies Inc. SOFI stock. So according to the folks at the Motley Fool, they have it that this is a piece that is comparing Robinhood and SoFi Technology Inc. So it says here SoFi Technologies isn't facing the same problem or regulatory headwinds just like Robinhood is facing. That is because the lending business of SoFi isn't facing sweeping rules, and it isn't fighting just to keep customers' attention. Okay, so while it is also still in red, SoFi's progress towards profitability is steady and dependable. Analysts collectively believe it will work its way back to the black by 2024, and there's no reason to doubt their earnings consensus trajectory. I think is that what I have here? That's their trajectory. Yes, yeah, that's what they have here. So all in all, it's just it is just a snapshot out of many things that this piece that is comparing SoFi and Robinhood. So better buy technology, SoFi Technologies versus Robinhood markets. But back to the main thing we're talking about, which is SoFi Technology. We can see what's going on here. That its utilization percentage is about 100% utilization of its shorts. And then we also have the short percent of its free float is that is a short interest 19.55%. It increased by 0.72%. Okay, so the market is not trading right now, but during the last session it gained a 15.56%. There isn't there are just a couple of disclosures down here, but what we have seen is that since the 2nd of May, Monday the 2nd of May, SoFi stock has continued to have higher closes, generally implying a bullish sentiment is in place concerning the stock. A bullish sentiment is what we are definitely seeing. So because we know that an uptrend is a series of up days, which is what we have. It gained on the that's second, gained again on the third, and then gained again on the fourth. It's just a series of up days where the highs are mostly higher than the day before, and the lows are equally high as well. So higher lows and higher highs. It definitely confirms an uptrend. So let's quickly go ahead and see what's going on the last trading session. Let's see what last 3 trading sessions. That's a very good place to look at as well. That's a very good place to look at. So you can see here what's going on. That is definitely the case. The highs. This is an intraday. Chart. You can see that the interval is just 3 minutes. You can see everything mostly going higher and higher, So we're definitely, at least given what we're seeing here in this 3-day session, last 3 days, three trading sessions, we can generally conclude that there's a bullish sentiment that is going on right now that is driving the price of SoFi stock up. So yeah, it's what's going on. It's advancing. Okay, let's return to that daily chart or 1-year chart, and continue from there. You can see that now it has actually closed above its 20-day moving average. Yet another validation. And which day did it cross the 10-day? It crossed the 10-day on the same day as well. The same day it crossed the 10 and 20-day moving averages in just one trading session. So, and on the Saturday, that Monday as well, where Bush adjusted its price target to $10 from $15. Okay, that was but keeps an outperform rating. It was as a concerns price, it's a downgrade. But regardless, we can see accumulation has sloped up, and we can also see as well that momentum is also improving as well. It's no longer oversold, and yet another bullish signal. No longer oversold. Okay, so it says here that SoFi appears to be rallying within a longer term bearish trend. Yes, the bearish trend is denoted by this 200-day moving average that is sloping downwards. So We can see, yes, it's rallying within a longer term bearish trend, driving smack day above the signal line. However, the shares remain below a declining 200-day moving average, signifying that the dominant trend remains lower, but it's also lagging the S&P 500. Okay, momentum for SoFi stock is strongly bullish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is rising as investors pay higher prices for SoFi stock. The volume for that trading session was heavier than usual, trading 76.528 million shares versus an average of 35.386 million shares versus shares per day during the last 12 months. The unbalanced volume indicator is bearish. The slope of the indicator is negative and suggests that there is a lack of buying interest. So, but at the same time as well, we have also seen that this pattern, or at least over the last 3 trading sessions, is quite unambiguous. So there's a good chance also that a sideways movement may occur, or a reversal may also be in place. But all in all, what is absolutely certain is that there's a strong bullish sentiment, at least for the last 3 trading sessions concerning SoFi stock. So see what you make of all of these things, and I will continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.